Hey there. Whether it's morning, afternoon, or evening for you, I'm here to guide you through a solution for fixing slow download speeds on Steam. Right now, I'm navigating through Steam, and you should be seeing the same landing page. Before we dive in, I want to emphasize that regardless of whether you're using a MacBook, Windows, or Linux device, the process remains the same, so stick with me. First off, once you're in Steam, click on the upper left icon to access the settings. From there, select Downloads. In this section, you'll find the option to choose your download region. Ensure that it's set to your current location for optimal performance. Sometimes Steam defaults to a different region, but it's crucial to adjust this setting accordingly. Next, check that the Limit Download Speed option is disabled. This ensures that your download speed isn't artificially restricted. Additionally, ensure that Allow Downloads during gameplay is enabled. Disabling this could halt your downloads when you switch to another game or application, which we definitely want to avoid. Once you've made these adjustments, you can close Steam entirely. Now let's head back to your desktop. Open the Task Manager by typing Task Manager into the search bar. Once it's open, navigate to the Performance tab and click on Open Resource Monitor. This tool will display all the applications currently running on your system. Here's where you'll want to ensure that only Steam is running. You can end tasks or disable unnecessary applications to free up resources for Steam. For instance, if you see Discord or other applications running, consider closing them temporarily to prioritize Steam. Another tip to boost your download speed is to use a wired connection, such as an Ethernet cable, instead of relying on Wi-Fi. A stable wired connection typically provides faster and more consistent speeds for downloading large files. Once you've optimized your settings and ensured that only Steam is running, you should notice a significant improvement in your download speed. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video. Goodbye for now.